Hello everyone, let's talk about old wills. Old last will and testament. Are they still good? What should you ask yourself about them? What you should know about old wills? Well, are they still good? Well, the way I look at it, there are two different points that we need to address. Are the old wills still valid? That's number one. The chances are, if they were valid 20 years ago, and if they were created by an attorney, the chances are that they are still valid. Wills usually don't have an expiration date. A power of attorney, on the other hand, if it was done 20 years ago, may or may not work right now, but a will should be just fine. If it was valid, then again, if it was created by an attorney, the chances are that the will is still valid. Now let's talk about, are they still good as in current? If it was created 20 years ago when the kids were little, or when you had two kids and now you have four, or when you were married to someone else, then they may not be current. They may not follow your wishes. It may not accomplish what you think it should. So look over your wills. Even have maybe an attorney look over one, although I'll tell you right now, an attorney will likely recommend that you get a new one if you have a 20-30-year-old will. Is it still current? Do you have everyone included? The personal representative that you have nominated, are they still willing to serve? Is the distribution the way you want it? One other thing I'm going to say about wills is that if you have real property, such as a home, land, mineral interest, and all you have in place is a will, that will likely have to be probated, meaning that you would put your family through courts upon your death, or if you own property just in your name. And that's going to cost the family thousands of dollars. That's going to create some issues, some potential conflict there. Ideally, you meet with an attorney and you get an estate plan in place. We offer a free 30-minute consultation. Happy to meet with you, look at your will, visit about it, and take it from there. No commitment. Now, let's talk about what happens if the will you have is not valid. For whatever reason, it was not created properly back then, even by an attorney, or there is like a page missing, or it's just not valid. It does not comply with the law. Then it'll be thrown out. What they call, the courts will say, yeah, this will is not valid. And then the law of the state of Oklahoma will dictate who gets what. So there is a default in the law that says, if a person dies without a will, or if their will is invalid, then this is what happens. That distribution may not be what you want, so be sure to, again, consult with an attorney, or be sure to research the matter, because you don't want to have an invalid will. An invalid will and a will that is not current, that does not include everyone, that does not include all of your assets, will create more issues down the road than an old will that is incomplete or invalid. I hope this video makes sense. Please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have some buttons there below and the links as well. And watch our other educational videos. We have lots of educational videos on wills and probates to fully understand the subject. Again, if you have any questions, or if you would like to schedule our 30-minute free consultation, 405-857-8231. Thank you for watching.